With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today we are going to solve an important problem for physics, and the problem is as follows. The figure shows the cross section of a long cylindrical conductor of radius A carrying a uniformly distributed current I. The magnetic field due to the current at point P is. So we are having a long cylindrical conductor carrying a current I of radius A, and we need to calculate the magnetic field due to this at point P, which is r distance from the center of the conductor. So the options we are having is mu naught I r divided by 2 pi a square, mu naught I r square divided by 2 pi a, mu naught I a divided by 2 pi r square, mu naught I a square divided by pi r square. So we are going to solve this question and check what is the right answer. So for this question we need to revise which is known as Ampere-Circuital law. So from Ampere-Circuital law, from Ampere's law, what we know that for a closed loop, for an example, we having a closed loop like this. So for a closed loop having current I, and we taken some current element dl, the magnetic field and dl equals to mu naught times current, where this is the current enclosed by this loop, and where dl is our current element. dl is current element. So this is our Ampere's circuital law. So for the given question, we are having a radius A of the conductor, and we will assume a loop of radius r where we need to calculate the magnetic field. So we will assume a loop of radius r where we need to calculate magnetic field, where we need to calculate magnetic field. So using Ampere's circuital law, the magnetic field and the current element will be equals to mu naught times current enclosed by this particular loop. Now magnetic field is not going to be integrate, so we will take magnetic field outside and we will integrate dl only, and mu naught times current enclosed. So as we know that we are using a circular loop, so we are using a circular loop of radius r. So the total length of this circular loop is going to be its circumference, which is 2 pi r, and it's going to be mu naught times current enclosed. So this is our equation number 1. Now here we will introduce one important quantity called current density. Here we will introduce one most important quantity called current density. So current density is J, which is equals to current divided by area. This is equals to current divided by area, and the current equals to current enclosed upon area of this loop, which is pi r square. And this is also going to be equal, the current density is also going to be equal to the total current which is flowing over the conductor divided by area of the cross section, which is pi a square, and this is similarly equals to current enclosed divided by pi r square. So if we are going to calculate the value of current enclosed, So current enclosed is going to be pi r square divided by pi a square into my total current, and the value of total current is given to us, which is I. So it's going to be pi r square divided by pi a square times I. So the current enclosed is going to be r square divided by a square times I. This is our second equation. Now we will put the value of first equation and second equation. So we will have magnetic field times 2 pi r, which is going to be mu naught times r square I divided by a square. And if we solve it again, we will have mu naught r square I divided by 2 pi r times a square. R and r square will be cancelled out, and we will have our final answer, which is mu naught I r divided by 2 pi a square, and this is our final answer. So if we are going to check our options which are given to us, so from options we will get that our answer is A, which is mu naught I r divided by 2 pi a square. So thanks for watching this video, and hope this video helps you in understanding the concept of Ampere's law and using the problem of Ampere's law. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.